Today's Wednesday, September 11th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible 4-button cluster switch that has been fully restored from my friend John in Point City, Michigan. This is video number 4 out of a multi-video set, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test after the unit has been completely open, fully restored. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply power, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on as I test each of the quadrants. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the driver side up, driver side down, passenger side up, passenger side down. So the two fronts have been checked. Now I'm going to be doing driver's rear up, driver's rear down, passenger side rear up, passenger side rear down, passenger side rear up, passenger side rear down, driver's side rear up, driver's side rear down, passenger front up, passenger front down, and lastly driver side up, driver side down. So that's the 1968 Cadillac 4-button cluster switch. This is from my friend John in Point City, Michigan. I've gone ahead and completed the restoration of all of his electrical switches. That included the emergency lockout rocker switch, now the 4-button cluster switch, which takes care of the driver's side, and then we'll be doing the other 3 switches for the passenger front and the passenger rear. Okay, today is Wednesday, September 11th. This is George in Florida. I have 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including all the electrical switches and the AC components. Today's Wednesday, September 11th. Thank you very kindly.